Did you find some more? Did you find some more? It's coming? We over here at Seagull Island. Seagulls everywhere. Sand dollars everywhere. Where are you going? What are you doing? There's a sand dollar right here. There's a sand dollar right there. Yes. It's a small one. BNSF. Yeah. You don't want to honk. Our stash is around here somewhere. We got two stashes. We got two stashes that we gotta find. One is like over there, and one is like over here. We gotta find the treasure. I think it's in there, right over there. You found it? You got one of our stashes? Get him! Get our stash! That's our lost hidden treasure! Yeah! Yeah! That's the lost hidden treasure of 2 weeks ago. Let me see. That's our lost hidden treasure from 2 weeks ago. Oh, look. Engine. Later. We got one more treasure to find.